This is Mahesh. In this session, we are going to continue the examples of trains. Okay, let's get started. The first question: a train 750-meter long is running with a speed of 68 km per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 8 km per hour in the same direction in which the train is going? So, the train speed is given, and then man speed. There is a speed for man, but we will not consider the length of the man, but we will consider the speed of the man. Man speed is there. Both are running in the same direction. We'll take it down. What are the given values? First, we have to take it down. So, distance to be covered is a train crosses a man. So, two objects. One is train, the other is man. Man's length will not be important here. So, 750 meter is alone the distance to be covered. Speed. Second one is speed. What is the speed? Here we have two speeds. If we have two speeds, what we have to do? Actually, we have to take relative speed. Both the persons are the train and the as well as the man running in the same direction. Same direction means what you will do with the speed? Faster minus slower one. So that is what relative speed. Same direction minus. So 68 km per hour minus 8 km per hour is the speed here, because both are running in the same direction. If the question is about opposite direction, means you have to add both of them. So what you will get here? 60 km per hour after the relative speed. And the time taken is what they have asked you. So in what time will it pass a man? Okay. The length we will not consider man's length. Here we will consider both the speeds. That is why we have taken relative speed, and the time taken is what you have to find. Here the question is in meters, so you have to convert this into meter. What you will do to convert this into meter? Into 5 by 18. What you will get? So cancelling this. So how many times of 6 is 18? 3 times. Here 10 times. So 10 into 5, 50 meter divided by 3, which is nothing but 3 seconds. The train can cover 50 meter in 3 seconds. So what is the question now? How many meters it should cover to cross the man? So 750 meter. Using unknown known, you will get the answer. 50 meter in 3 seconds. 750 meter in how many seconds? So 750 is the unknown here. I know the value for 50 meter, which is 3 seconds. So that is known. 50 meter is known, which is 3 seconds. So cancelling this, you will get answer. That is the answer for this question. So cancel this. So 0, 0 get cancelled. How many times of 5 is there in 75? 15 times. So 15 into 3, 45 seconds. So what is the time taken by the train to cross the man who is running at 8 km per hour? Which is 45 seconds. Okay, done. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, two trains 137 meters and 163 meters in length are running towards each other on parallel lines. One at the rate of 42 km per hour and another at 48 km per hour. In what time will they be clear of each other from the moment they meet? It is nothing but what is the time they take to cross each other. So the time taken to cross each other. So here, take it down. What are the values given? First thing, distance. What is the distance to be covered here? So two trains. So you have to consider two objects' length. Okay, both are material. So 137 meter plus 163 meter. 137 plus 163. What is the total? Total is 300 meter. So the distance to be covered is 300 meter. What is the speed here? Speed is 42 km and 48 km. What are they doing? They are running in opposite direction. What you will do when both are running towards each other? Towards each other means opposite direction. What you will do? You have to add, because opposite direction means you have to add the speeds. What are the speeds here? 42 km per hour plus 48 km per hour. What is the total? 42 plus 48, which is 90 km per hour. The question is to find the time. What is the time taken to cross each other once they start? At the moment they meet, this is the moment they meet. Cross completely each other means the two lengths, both the lengths. So time taken is what you have to find. First thing you have to find out in meters because distance is in meters, so you have to convert this into meter per second. So 90 into 5 by 18 will give you meter per second. So 18, how many times of 18 is 90? 5 times. So 5 and 5, 25 meter in 1 second. How many seconds, how many meters should be covered to cross each other? 300 meter. So when you solve this, you will get the answer. So 300 divided by 25 into 1, which is nothing but 300 divided by 25. 300 divided by 25, what is the answer? You will get 25 meter into 1. So 1 will not be considered. So cancel this 300. How many times of 25 is there in 300? 12 times. So answer is 12 seconds. So both the train takes 12 seconds to cross each other. So this crossing is in the same opposite direction. Okay, done. Next question. Nurjahan Express of length 240 meter long crosses a man standing at the other end of the platform at a speed of 30 meter per second in 14 seconds. What is the length of the platform? So there is a platform and then the train is crossing the platform as well as it crosses the whole person. The person is standing the other side of the platform, which is nothing but the train is crossing its own length as well as platform length. Okay, what is the length should be covered? Distance. So write down the distance. Distance to be covered is 240 meter is the length of the train plus platform length. Okay, what is the speed here? Speed of the train. What is the speed of the train? 30 meter per second. So they itself have given you speed in meters per second. Time taken is 14 seconds. So obviously you can get the answer easily. 14 seconds of 30 meter per second. 30 meter in every second. 14 times of 30 will be the total distance covered in this time. So 14 into 30. What is 14 into 30? Is equal 30 times of 40. 3 times of 14 is 42. So 420 meter. So distance is 420 meter. Here distance is 420 meter means we have the distance. Instead of d we are going to substitute 420 meter. 420 meter is equal to 240 meter plus platform length. So if you want platform length, what you will do? You will take 240 this side. When you take 240 this side, what you will get? So platform length is equal. Platform's length is equal 420 minus 240, which is equal 180 meter. So answer for this question is 180 meter. The length of the platform is 180 meter. That's it. Let's move on to the last question. Two trains 140 meter and 160 meter long run at a speed of 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively in the same direction on parallel tracks. The time in seconds taken by faster train to overtake the slower train. So here is also same kind of questions. Two trains but in the same direction, running in the same direction. So two trains means what is the distance to be covered? You should take both the trains' length. And the speed is if the speed is in same direction, you have to subtract. If the speed is in opposite direction, you have to add. Here relative speed. Done. Next, time taken is what the question here. So take it down. What was the given value? So given is distance, both the trains distance 140 meter plus 160 meter. So which is 300 meter. Time taken is speed is two speeds are there. So both are running in opposite direction or same direction is what matters here. Here both are running in the same direction. Same direction means relative speed is faster train minus slower train. What is the faster train here? 60 km per hour minus 40 km per hour will give you 20 km per hour. So the relative speed is 20 km per hour. Time taken in seconds is what the question. You have to answer in seconds. Anyway, the answer will be in seconds because kilometer per hour, 300 meter is what you have to cover. So convert this into kilometer per hour into meter per second. 20 km per hour into meter per second. You have to multiply 5 by 18. So cancel this. What you will get? So how many times of 2? 9 times of 2. Here 10 times of 2. So total is 50 meter per 9 seconds. So which is nothing but 50 meter in 9 seconds. So what is the total distance to be covered? 300 meter. So 300 meter in how many seconds? When the train crosses 300 meter, that it overtakes the other train. That is what the answer here. So unknown known, fix the unknown known. So here 300 is the unknown. Unknown value is 50 meter, which is 9 seconds. So 50 meter in 9 seconds. So cancelling this, you will get the time in seconds. So cancel 0 0 get cancelled. How many times of 5 is there in 30? 6 times. 6 into 9, 54 seconds. So answer for this question is 54 seconds. 9 into 6 is 54 seconds. So the faster train takes 54 seconds to overtake the slower train. That's all the example now.